This lesson is all about the indefinite articles. There are two indefinite articles in English, namely a and an. We use an when the word that follows the indefinite article starts with a vowel sound. And in all other cases, we use a as the indefinite article. And we use the indefinite article to identify a person or a thing that is unspecific or generic. And indefinite articles are only used before singular nouns. As we said, we use an when the word that follows starts with a vowel sound. And notice we said vowel sound and not vowel. If it's not a vowel sound, we use a. So we would have an elephant, but a big elephant. So it's not the noun after it, it's really the word after it. And we only say an elephant just to make it flow easier when we speak. If we had to say a elephant, it would be very sort of strange and awkward to say. A pear, an SMS, because although SMS starts with a consonant, it has a vowel sound. A hotel, an hour. Now here we see they both start with an H, but in hotel, the word has a sort of a harder H to it, and in hour, it's got a vowel sound to it. So we say a hotel, an hour. And here we've marked this with a question mark and marked it as UK-US. Now in UK English, they would pronounce that word herb, presumably because there's an H at the start of it. So if it was an English speaker, they would say a herb. But for some reason, the Americans call it herb, and they would say an herb. And we use indefinite articles to identify a person or a thing that is unspecific or generic. Now, it's dark in here. Can you turn on a light? In other words, I don't really care which light. I'm not bothered, but any light will do, not a specific light. I'm still waiting for an answer. I don't know what the answer is, but I'm waiting for it. There's an angry customer wanting to speak to the manager. Now here we have indefinite and definite articles. So there's an angry customer is indefinite. We don't really know who it is or what their problem is, but they want to speak to the manager. And in that shop, there's presumably only one manager. I'll take a message for you. I just need to find a pen. So I don't know what the message is. It's unspecified. And I don't care which pen. It's generic. So here we have a sentence with both cases. And we use the indefinite article for jobs, nationalities, and religions. Sam is a doctor. Peter is an electrician. And here we see electrician starts with a vowel sound, so we use an electrician. Pierre is a Frenchman. An Englishman's home is his castle. Sister Mary is a Catholic nun. Christianity is an Abrahamic religion, as is Islam. And we also use the indefinite article instead of the number one. If we wanted to, we could use the number one as well. It would also be correct. So for instance, at the market, you might say, I'd like a pound of apples and 4 lemons. You could equally as well say, I'd like 1 pound of apples and 4 lemons. This recipe is very sweet. It needs a kilo of sugar. I'm in a hurry. I can only stay for a minute. And this last example for a minute, we don't mean literally 60 seconds. We just mean a short while.